Have you ever walked outside on a chilly morning and seen a white mist floating close to the ground, hiding trees, cars, and even people? That's fog. But what exactly is it and how does it form? Let's start with a simple fact. Fog is basically a cloud on the ground. Both fog and clouds form when water vapor in the air condenses into tiny droplets of liquid water. The only difference between clouds and fog is that clouds form higher up in the atmosphere and have more water, while fog forms near the Earth's surface. How does this happen? The air around us always contains water vapor, an invisible gas. Air can hold certain amount of vapor. The warmer the air, the more water it can hold. The colder the air, the less water it can hold. So when warm, moist air near the ground cools down, either during the night or early morning, it may reach a temperature called the dew point. At this point, the air becomes saturated, meaning it cannot hold all its moisture anymore. The excess water vapor condenses into tiny droplets of liquid water which stay suspended in the air. When there are enough of these droplets, we see fog due to scattering of light. These droplets are incredibly small, each only a few micrometer in diameter. Together, they scatter light in all directions. That's why fog looks white and reduces visibility. There are different types of fogs too, depending on how the air cools. There can be radiation fog, which forms on clear, calm nights when the ground loses heat quickly and cools the air above it. There can be advection fog. It forms when warm, moist air moves up a cooler surface, like over a cold ocean current. It can be a valley fog. It forms in mountain valleys when the cool air gets trapped in the valleys. In all these cases, the science is the same: cooling, condensation, and suspended droplets. So, fog is simply a cloud formed at ground level, a beautiful reminder that same atmospheric processes that create clouds in the sky can also happen right where we stand. So next time when you see fog, think of it as Earth's way of wearing a cloud as a shawl, soft, mysterious, and perfectly scientific. For more such science explainers, subscribe to UPSC Simplified.